Hello, hope you're well and welcome to a tutorial for the Precision NanoFarm, which is a reasonably compact nanofarm. The reason it's called a Precision NanoFarm is because unlike other nanofarms where the dispensers are activated as fast as possible to make sure crops are grown in both positions where the dirt block is moved up and down, this farm activates the dispensers once when the block is up and once when it is down, so it works in harmony with that movement. We'll give it a quick demonstration. Oh, there we go. So basically look at the block, hold right click, just like any other nanofarm, and it nicely grows the wheat in both positions, and it's a lot quieter. Now this farm works by default on a 4-tick clock. Now that is just about fast enough to nearly burn out these torches. If you're in multiplayer, and you could hear the burnout noise even though it was still doing the business each time. If you're in multiplayer or your computer is a laggy one, you can actually adjust this farm with that repeater to stop the torches actually burning out if that becomes a problem. It slows the farm down quite a bit, but if your torches are burning out because of lag or what have you, then it will actually overall increase the speed of the farm, despite the fact that the pistons are moving slower. Okay, so let's go and build it. First off, you're going to need these materials for the first part of the build. Redstone block, 3 repeaters, 2 sticky pistons, 3 torches, 12 redstone, a lever, 8 dispensers, 3 slabs, and a load of building blocks of your choice. So we're going to start off making a dual edge detector with a piston and a sticky piston and a block of redstone, and 2 bits of redstone next to that. And we're going to place a slab and 2 blocks, and we're going to run redstone along the top of those and put a block here to cut that cable there. And we're going to place a block here and block up like that, and a repeater into there on 3 ticks, and then we're going to make our clock. And we're going to do that by placing blocks in this shape here and removing the middle one, and also one up there. Then we place a repeater facing that way and a repeater facing that way. That one wants to be on 2 ticks by default, and redstone here and a torch here, and you can see that that starts the circuit moving. I'll place a redstone there, block on top of that, and a lever here, and that will disable the system. Just to note, if you're having torch burnout problems, this is the repeater that can be adjusted until they stop. 1 extra bit of delay should be enough to sort it if you're having that problem. Then we're going to place a sticky piston on top of that redstone, and you'll see that it extends, and then a block here which will be next to this redstone block in its extended state, and we're going to bring some redstone on top of there, and we're going to grab some slabs, and we're going to catch the black line of this piston here to do upside down slabs like that, and put redstone on both of those. And then we're going to do a diagonal up block from there and also from there, and place torches on those, which will turn off, and blocks on top of those torches, and redstone on top of that block there, which is the one at the back, considering this is the front. Okay, then we're going to get our dispensers, and we're going to place those like so. One there, one there, one on the edge of that torch hitbox there, and one there, so they're all facing in. And then we're going to place 3 more like this at the back, and we're going to place a block on top of the backmost dispenser there, and if we stand down here, we should be able to place one facing down like that. So you should have something that looks like this. Now, effectively, if we were to put the dirt block in and fill these with bone meal, that is actually a working farm. Okay, but we're going to make it a little more sophisticated than that. And we're going to grab 4 chests, some more building blocks, a block of dirt, water bucket, 15 hoppers, and then hoe, a load of bone meal, and some seeds to use the farm. So we're going to place, firstly we're going to place our block of dirt in there, and we can hoe it. Then we're going to get our hoppers, and we're going to place one into the side of that dispenser and one into the back of the hopper. Hoppers into the sides of both of those dispensers, and then hoppers facing downwards there, and one facing across into there, and then a hopper into the side of that dispenser over there. And then we'll go around the other side. I'm going to place hoppers into the sides of these dispensers, and one facing down at the top. Same with these, one facing down at the top and one facing like that. So it goes, so these all chain. Now all of the dispensers can be reached by these hoppers here, so we can place chests here and here, and if we fill these chests up with bone meal, lots and lots and lots of bone meal, it will eventually filter down to all of the dispensers. And then last thing to do is to get some water in so that our soil will get hydrated. There's a few places you can do this, but I guess if we do that and that and that, that will do the job quite nicely. Then we can fill in the area around here. If we do this like that, and then put a floor in here like that, that's the farm pretty much done. You can pretty it up a little bit more if you wish, but yeah. Anyway, I hope you find this useful, and I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Until next time, guys, take care of yourselves.